Hello students, I am Sister Mary here. Welcome to 9th Maths NCERT Chapter 1 Number Systems. Today we will study the difference between rational and irrational numbers. I have already taught you what is rational numbers and what is irrational numbers. We will just compare them so that we understand in a better way. So first of all, first point, the rational numbers, these are rational numbers, here irrational numbers. So the rational numbers are in the form of PQ where Q is not equal to 0. But the irrational numbers, they are not in the form of PQ. They cannot be written in the form of PQ and where the Q is not equal to 0. The second, rational numbers, they can be whole numbers. So all the whole numbers can be rational numbers because any number we can write in the form of PQ. So if it's 0, 0 can be written 0 upon 1. If it is 1, 1 can be written 1 upon 1 or 1 upon 2. 2 also can be written 2 upon 1. So it can be written in the form of PQ. But irrational numbers are not the whole numbers because whole numbers means it can be written in the form of PQ. Therefore, the whole numbers are not, irrational numbers will not have the whole numbers. Then the third point, rational numbers are mixed numbers. For example, these are mixed numbers, 3 into 2 upon 5. Now, if we calculate this and take the LCM, we will get it 17 upon 5. Again, it is in the form of PQ. Therefore, this is a rational number. So, the mixed numbers cannot be irrational numbers. Another point, rational numbers will have terminating decimals. For example, if we have 0.3892, it can be written 3 decimal we can remove and write it 3892 upon, and how many decimals we have removed, that many digit numbers we add it. So it can be written in the PQ form. Whereas irrational numbers are non-terminating decimals because that will have no end absolutely. And one more point, rational numbers, they are repeating decimals. Example, 0.3, if you write bar, meaning is this numbers is repeating numbers. So we can write it this way, 0.333, and it can be repeating. But irrational numbers, they are non-recurring decimals. They don't reoccur. The same pattern doesn't come. Whereas here, the pattern is repeated. Here, no pattern is being repeated. The last point, perfect squares are rational numbers. So 25 also, root 25 also can be written as 5. Whereas irrational numbers are not a perfect square. Therefore, root 2, you cannot take it out. Pi also is an irrational number, root 7. So all the prime numbers, when it is under root, they are irrational numbers. I hope children, the concept is clear to you. Just go through these points. And you will have a clear idea about rational numbers and irrational numbers. Thank you and God bless you.